Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best postpartum wrap is probably one of the most essential items a new mother can invest in for her recovery journey, offering targeted compression and support to help the abdominal muscles regain their strength and shape after childbirth, while also providing comfort and confidence during this transformative period. Number 5. ChongErfei 3-in-1 Postpartum Support Belt. Introducing the ChongErfei 3-in-1 Postpartum Support Belt. This versatile garment is designed to aid your recovery after childbirth. It effectively supports your belly, waist, and pelvis, helping you regain your pre-pregnancy shape. This beige, size L belt offers comprehensive care. Beyond support, it also assists with posture correction. Feel more confident and comfortable as you heal. This shapewear girdle provides a slimming effect while ensuring comfort throughout the day. It's an essential part of your postpartum journey. Choose this reliable support system for a smoother and more comfortable postpartum recovery. It's designed to help you feel like yourself again. What we like. This offers comprehensive support for your belly, waist, and pelvis all in one. It's designed to help with posture correction and slimming after birth. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to aid your recovery and regain your pre-pregnancy shape, this is a great choice. What people say. This garment comes in 2 pieces, and you wrap it around yourself to the desired tightness. It attaches by Velcro. The larger piece I use on the top of my abdomen just under the breast area, and it reaches just below my belly button. Depending on my mood, I am able to pull this sucker as tight as I want, or just tight enough to achieve the prescribed post-surgical purpose. And there is so much support. I love it. I then wrap the second smaller piece around the little pooch of my tummy on and under the belly button to just above the pubic area. Again, I can stretch it as tightly as I want. With the 2 pieces, I am now compressed from just under my boob line to right above my pubic area. On me, there is even a bit of overlap between the 2 pieces. The material is soft but firm enough to offer real support, especially in the lower back and abdominal area. She really appreciates how adjustable it is, since her body is still changing and it allows her to tighten or loosen as needed throughout the day. It's easy to put on, and it stays in place without riding up. It also fits comfortably under clothing without being too bulky. These bands help support my back and encourage my ribs and other internal organs to move back to my pre-pregnancy positions. The band itself is very discreet yet extremely supportive. The materials like the stretch elastic and Velcro are good quality and keep the band in place. The compression can be adjusted as needed for the perfect fit. Number 4. KeaBabies Revive 3-in-1 Postpartum Belly Support. Introducing the KeaBabies Revive 3-in-1 Postpartum Belly Binder. It's designed to support your stomach, pelvis, hip, and waist during your recovery journey. You can wear 1, 2, or all 3 belts depending on your stage of recovery. This trusted support is recommended by doctors for a confident return to your pre-pregnancy shape. This support belt helps improve your posture, core strength, and mobility after birth. It provides gentle compression to ease discomfort and water retention. Experience gentle compression that restores balance to your body. It alleviates backaches and supports pelvic recovery, making it a must-have after pregnancy and C-sections. Our waist trainer features breathable mesh that contours to your body. Partially stretchable panels allow for comfortable movement throughout your day. These adjustable postpartum wraps are essential for your recovery. They aid in diastasis recti recovery by helping to close the gaps between your abdominal muscles. What we like. This is a doctor-recommended option that provides 3-in-1 support for your belly, back, and pelvis. Its breathable mesh design ensures comfort during recovery. If you value professional recommendations and seek a comfortable, supportive wrap for your postpartum journey, especially after a C-section, this is ideal. What people say. I love the design of the 3 separate sections. It helps to be able to place each piece exactly where I need them. I can adjust them to fit exactly how I want and need. This 3-in-1 postpartum belt has become one of my absolute favorite gifts to give new moms. I've personally used it and now love recommending it because it really makes a difference in postpartum recovery, especially in those crucial first few weeks after giving birth. It is 3 pieces, and I have found I can get the stomach belt and waist belt to cover my stomach okay. I have to place the stomach belt low and the waist belt high. It isn't great, but it works. Number 3. Trendyline Postpartum Belly Band. Introducing the Trendyline Postpartum Belly Band, designed to provide essential support during your recovery journey. It's crafted for comfort and effectiveness. If you've had abdominal surgery, this binder offers gentle compression to aid healing. It helps you feel more secure and comfortable as you get back on your feet. Specifically designed for those recovering from a C-section, this abdominal binder provides targeted support. It can help reduce discomfort and promote a smoother healing process. For those who have undergone a tummy tuck, this compression wrap acts as a waist trainer. It assists in shaping and supporting the abdominal area for optimal results. Available in medium size and classic black, this girdle ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. It's an ideal choice for post-surgery and postpartum support. Wear it discreetly under your clothing for all-day support. It's a versatile solution for anyone needing abdominal compression and gentle waist training. What we like. This product is specifically designed for C-section recovery and offers tummy tuck support. It also functions as a waist trainer to help you regain your shape. If you've had a C-section or are looking for targeted compression and shaping for your midsection, this band is a strong contender. What people say. Easily adjustable and gives a lot of support. I actually have a decent amount of mobility and it doesn't stick out or scratch my skin. It has lasted through 3 pregnancies, and the elasticity is still in mint condition, which really speaks to how durable and well-made it is. It provides great support and is easy to figure out and use, which is especially important during postpartum recovery. This is stiff enough with boning on the back and mesh at the back to make it breathable. Wore it in mid-70s weather still manageable. Number 2. Frida Mom 15-piece Labor and Postpartum Kit. Introducing the Frida Mom 15-piece Labor and Postpartum Kit. It's the perfect gift for expecting mothers and baby showers. This comprehensive set includes essential items for your recovery journey. You'll find everything you need to feel comfortable and supported. Experience unparalleled comfort with items like a nursing gown, disposable underwear, and ice maxi pads. We've thought of everything to make your postpartum experience easier. From the peri bottle and perineal foam to pad liners and socks, this kit provides support for every step of your recovery. It even includes a handy toiletry bag. Give the gift of comfort and care. This kit is designed to help new moms feel prepared and pampered during a special time. What we like. This is a comprehensive 15-piece kit designed for labor and postpartum recovery, including essentials like a peri bottle, nursing gown, and disposable underwear. It's also a perfect gift for baby showers. If you want a convenient, all-inclusive package to prepare for postpartum or are looking for a thoughtful gift for a new mom, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The peri bottle is awesome and the angled spout makes it hugely superior to non-angled versions. It was a must-have for me. The disposable underwear were super comfy, and I found they held pads better than the mesh kind from the hospital. The witch hazel foam was great. Early on when I could not bear to do any wiping, the foam was super gentle and cooling and I think helped my stitches heal faster, or at least made them more comfortable. Number 1. Frida Mom Belly Binder Postpartum Essentials. Introducing the Frida Mom Belly Binder, designed to support your postpartum recovery journey. Whether you had a natural birth or a C-section, this binder offers essential support. Experience customizable comfort with its adjustable compression wrap. Easily tailor the fit to your needs for optimal support during this special time. This afterbirth brace provides gentle yet firm abdominal support. It's designed to help you feel more comfortable as your body heals. Crafted with a 9-inch high design, this abdominal band ensures broad coverage and effective support. It's a must-have for your postpartum essentials. It's perfect for both natural and C-section recovery. This binder is an essential tool to help you navigate the postpartum period with greater ease. What we like. This belly binder offers adjustable compression for effective support during both natural and C-section recovery. Its 9-inch height provides significant coverage and support. If you need a highly adjustable and supportive band that caters to different recovery needs, this is a practical choice. What people say. The binder provides great support around the stomach and lower back, which made me feel more comfortable while moving around and taking care of my baby. The material seems really good quality and durable while still being comfortable to wear. The design allows you to tighten or loosen it as your body changes during recovery, which is very helpful. It provides incredible support to the abdominal area, helping reduce swelling and improve posture. It's comfortable, adjustable, and fits really well to the body. Plus, it's discreet under clothing and feels breathable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.